Hi everyone, and happy December. My name is Maggie, and I'm here to add some exciting SMS tips in your Christmas stocking for a merry holiday season and a successful new year. So let's get right to it. If anything, this year proved to us all how important text messaging is for a brand's marketing strategy, as shoppers long for those personalized, one-on-one experiences that SMS can deliver. Millions more people happily opted into brands' text clubs in exchange for timely updates and relevant offers sent securely and directly to them. What's certain is that SMS will continue to gain momentum as the marketing world grows even more privacy-centric. 2021 showed us how crucial it is to invest in own channels that are built on collecting zero-party data and knowing first-party data about a customer. SMS is an absolute must for e-commerce brands, especially direct-to-consumer focused ones. The holiday season is the perfect time to leverage SMS to focus on delivering personal, lighthearted, and genuine communication with your customers. So our top tip for a successful Christmas and a cookieless 2022, don't tell Santa, is to board the SMS train to achieve respectful personalization. Continue clicking through the rest of our Christmas page and pack your bags with some creative SMS strategies to help you give your customers the shopping journey they've always wanted. Oh, and as an early gift for being on the nice list, we're giving you something so exciting to unwrap. Navigate to the December 14th date on the page and see what we've got in store for you. Happy holidays!